Hi everyone. In this video I'll be showing you how to create button with rounded corners in Figma. So let's get started. So first thing, just select any design and to the leftmost top you'll be having this frames icon. Click that and just click on this frame and you're going to just draw a rectangle like this. After drawing this, just go to fill and choose the color that you want to have for your button. Next, let's add a text to the button. For doing that, click on text and just draw it inside the button. Automatically we will be getting the text under the frame. So I've just added some style to the text. So after this, just click on the frame and to the right you'll be having this icon, okay, this corner radius thing. So you just need to hover over this. You'll be getting an double arrow like icon, and if you just click it and just move your mouse to the right, this will basically increase the radius. So here you can see we are getting a circular radius on the button like this. And if you want to decrease it, just move your mouse to the left and here you can see that decreases the radius. And if you don't want to do like this, you can just double click over here and you can just enter the radius that you want and hit enter. Okay, this will also like help you change the radius, yeah, something like this. So this is basically how you create rounded cornered buttons in Figma. Hope you would have found this video useful. Do check the playlist. I have a Figma playlist as well as programming and AI related playlist also. Check them out, subscribe me. Thanks for watching.